Hello, Ville. The Lockport conference will happen in Warsaw. And there is this idea behind our industry that this is a lot about the project management, so that we sell actually the project management, not only translation. And you will be leading a special training for project managers.
Correct.
Can you tell us more about this?
Sure. In fact, there is quite some history there. About 20 years ago, I started to work with Ulrich Heinz, before it was called the Localization Institute, on a number of different trainings, but mainly project management. Then around 2011, we decided together to put together a set of webinars, which were reasonably successful. And then we wanted to take that further, and from two angles. One, we wanted to create some type of a certification, and two, we wanted to tie it in with a recognized standard for project management. Having been myself a certified project management professional through the Project Management Institute for about 15 years now, I thought that would be a good connection. So I helped the Localization Institute to become a recognized or accepted education provider for PMI, so there's even publicity within PMI. And that also allows students who are interested in learning about localization project management also take the time they spend there and to apply that either as credits for their continued education for the project management certification of PMI, or as the initial hours they need in order to apply for the exam.
Mm-hmm. So this is a great value proposition for project managers, both from the translation agencies, but the same from the localization department of the commercial clients, right? And the PMI behind it, guarantee the high level, experience around the project management. Yeah.
Yes, and the training is done in two parts. There is a number of sections which is really based on the PMI guidelines, which became the ISO standard for project management, by the way. And then there is another part which focuses more on specific localization elements, such as machine translation, community translation, working and managing virtual teams, what is really a global company, global maturity, some of those topics. So there's a little bit of both. And the training consists of an online training with about between 15 and 18 videos, plus questions, quizzes, and some practice tests, and then they come to the 2-day session where they don't get new material, but they get to work in groups and exercise basically the material they already have learned and bring it to practice. And we typically also invite some speakers from the outside to give them a different feel of what's happening in a particular industry. And then finally it ends up with a 2-hour test where they need to pass a 70% score or better to get the certification from the Localization Institute.
Sounds like a perfect mixture, both the methodology around the training, online and on-site, and the mixture of the PMI and your know-how about the localization. That sounds like a very, very interesting topic, and yeah, we can't wait to see you in Warsaw. Thank you very much.